This ferry appears to be doing some kind of amazing diagonal manoeuvre thing that I've never seen before. It usually is back out, I'm assuming. It's due to the wind, but they are mighty close to that dock over there on the bulbous bow. Mighty close. You won't be able to see a couple of jets hanging out of it there, watching. Still have a stern line going around the port side. Right. Hey, these boys could be in trouble. Nearly hitting the dock. You might give it 82 because you're looking at it yourself. Their stern now is basically touching the side of the dock over there. This could be one of those ever given moments. I mean, I'm pretty sure that where their bow isn't the channel, and we're at a low tide here. It wouldn't surprise me if they're aground on the bow. Sure they know what they're doing. Oh, they're going astern. Yeah, they've cocked up here. They've just hit the dock. Oh dear. This is going belly up. Yeah, I'm putting it back in the car. I'd love to go down there, but it would be completely irresponsible because I don't know how this is going to pan out. Ferry usually moves off the dock and reverses down the channel. I don't know if they've thought that maybe they can't get enough way on astern to fight the wind or what, but I've never seen anything like this. If this hasn't gone belly up and they're intending to do it, then it's pretty bloody awesome, because they must have 8 feet in front of the bulbous bow, probably 10 feet between the actual bow and the masts of the boats, and they must be almost touching the dock at the back. My concern is that as that bow comes around, obviously these the wind cats and the fishing boat over there are much further back into the channel than this dock at the front where they are now. I don't know if you can tell on the side there, but they're wellying the stern bow thruster to push around. They are intending to go that way. This could actually be amazing seamanship. don't know the code for this gate to get down, but they'd be irresponsible. I don't know how they're not aground on the bow because the tide is so far out. I mean, the phone doesn't do it justice. This is a sight to behold, and you can see with the exhaust there just how much the wind's, well, it's working for them at the stern, it's working against them at the bow. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. The phone doesn't do it justice at all. It's amazing. Still got the stern line on over there. I imagine they're going to have to release that soon and let the stern come round because they've got no more space on the bow. This is the interesting bit, because it really doesn't look like they've got space. As much as I'd enjoy to go down there, it'd just be too dangerous. Still working on that stern line, so they must have sea room. Either that or that little fishing vessel's about to get pummeled. I reckon their bulbous bow is no more than 6 feet from the stern of that little red and white fishing vessel that you can see. Get off. Over there. The stern's still holding position, so they must still be in that line. It's one of those scenarios where if that bow thruster fails, I suppose it's only acting against the wind, it'll come back round, but I've never seen anything like this. It's amazing. Well, fair play to you. I thought you'd stuff that up, and it turns out you're just bloody incredible. The stern's coming around now, so they clearly let go of that line. Probably put a bit of stern way on. Giving some space to the bow. Honestly, that was incredible. He's done that. He's turned that around with practically touching the dock on the stern and no more than 10 feet at the bow. Putting some way ahead now. The poor brown boat there is he's taking the full blast from his bow thruster. It just heeled about 40 degrees. Maybe not 40 degrees, I'm being dramatic, but we love a bit of drama. Right, you may say that I've led a sheltered life, but that is literally one of the best things I have ever seen. Take a bow, son. Take a bloody bow. I'll see you later.